3D models of 5 of UNESCO's World Heritage Sites are at risk because of climate change so that they'll be preserved for future generations. Google has revealed a new project to turn 5 of the most threatened by climate change into interactive 3D models in an effort to preserve the legacy of some of the most well-known monuments in the entire world. The project, dubbed Heritage on the Edge, features interactive digital replicas of the Moai head carvings on Rapa Nui, Edinburgh Castle in Scotland, the mosque city of Bugarau in India, the Great Mosque and Portuguese Fort in Kilwa Kisivani in Tanzania, and the ancient Chan Chan city in Trujillo, Peru. The International Council on Monuments and Sites, ICOMOS, and SHARE, a non-profit organization in Oakland that specializes in building digital archives of the most important cultural landmarks in the world, provided support for the project. In case one or all of the locations are irreversibly harmed by the consequences of climate change in the ensuing decades, each location will have 5 different 3D models created to capture a complete sense of scale and function for each. The models were created using a process known as photogrammetry. Photogrammetry uses multiple cameras to record the same object from different angles. In order to produce a 3D composite, specific spatial and textural data about the object are inferred using the differences in how the object appears from various perspectives. Going to the project's main page at Google's Arts and Culture website will allow users to interact with the entire collection of 3D models in their web browsers. 2 augmented reality experiences will also soon be made available for Google's Pocket Gallery mobile platform. 2 of the 5 locations, the Gariza Fort in Kilwa Kisivani and the Nine Dome Mosque in Bugarau, will be shown inside during those experiences. Google not only keeps 3D models of the locations but also explains how each is specifically harmed by climate change. For example, the renowned Moai heads on Rapa Nui are at risk of eventually collapsing into the ocean because of increasing sea levels and more frequent storms that have pounded the island's rocky coast. Similar threats are posed to the clay Chan Chan ruins in Peru by the increasing frequency and intensity of rainstorms, which weaken the structural integrity of many of the buildings. Rising sea levels and rains have eroded the rocky foundations upon which Edinburgh Castle and the Great Mosque were built in both Edinburgh and Tanzania, posing a threat to their eventual collapse. The greatest danger in Bugarau is the rising salinity of the land. The mosque walls start to erode as a result of the extra salt being absorbed by the groundwater as the sea level rises surrounding the coastal town, which causes it to fill with salty ocean water. If you are interested in 3D printing, IT, AI, you can register free with the next mega AI, IT company Onpassive. Register at www.coolzone.ai.